Railway transport was introduced to Sri Lanka in 1864 to facilitate the transportation of export crops such as tea and coffee grown in the uplands to the capital easily and cost-effectively over mountain roads. At present, Sri Lanka Railway consists of 1,508 kilometers of broad gauge. The railway system in this country is renowned for its beauty with natural wonders such as waterfalls, valleys, gorges, fog-covered mountain ranges, tea plantations, bridges and railway stations located amidst stunning landscapes, all testifying to the ingenuity of engineers. Throughout its history, Sri Lankan Railways has faced numerous challenges, enduring through different eras for over a century and a half, including the civil war that Sri Lanka faced for 30 years, resulting in the closure of the Mannar Railway in 1990. The support of a neighboring country during difficult times is invaluable. India, our closest neighbor and friend, has been aiding us in various endeavors. The ambitious project of repairing and improving the Sri Lankan railway system has been bolstered by the support of our long-standing partner.
My name is W.A.D.S. Gunasinghe, former General Manager for Sri Lanka Railways. Mahu Omante track rehabilitation and upgradation project was started under the assistance of Indian Credit Line, where Government of India has assisted us to start a major project in the transport sector in Sri Lanka. There were two projects undertaken under the Indian line of credit. That is, one thing is coastal line rehabilitation as well as northern line rehabilitation. Altogether, 385 kilometers were rehabilitated under northern line railway rehabilitation project. Under Mahu Omante, this project, 128 kilometers will be rehabilitated and upgraded. We can increase the average speed to 100 kilometers on the northern line, which will cut the efficiency of the railway service tremendously. We must thank the Government of India for assisting us, particularly when we have faced economic downturn in the country. The rehabilitation work continued as planned. In this year it will be completed and service will be commenced to between Colombo and Vietnam after several months.
Nearly 385 kilometers of railway line with 330 kilometers of signaling and telecommunication systems were completed in just 6 years between March 2009 to March 2015 with the financial assistance of the Government of India to the tune of $800 million. In 2011, the development of the Mathura-Gol-Kalutara railway line commenced with the Indian financial assistance spanning 118 kilometers. The project was completed in 2 years, and in April 2012, it was inaugurated, serving the public. Additionally, the Madavachi-Madu railway, closed due to the civil war, was revived in 2013 through the full contribution of the IRCON project. This 44-kilometer railway also serves as a primary pilgrimage route for Christians in the country.
வவுனியாவைக்கு யாழ்ப்பாணம் போகிறோம்னா ட்ரெயினில் தான் கூடுதலாக போகிறது. பஸ்களில் போகிறத விட ட்ரெயினில் போகிறது எங்களுக்கு பெரிய ஒரு உதவி. நாங்கள் இன்றைக்கு இந்த வவுனியா பயணம் போகிறது தான் ட்ரெயினில் போகல பெரிய ஒரு சந்தோஷத்தில் தான் போகிறோம். பஸ்ஸில் நெருக்கடி கரைச்சல் பிரச்சனைகள் தானே. இது நல்ல சந்தோஷமாக போய் குறிப்பிட்ட இடத்துக்கு போய் நிம்மதிய டைமுக்கும் போயிரும் தானே ட்ரெயின். பயமும் இல்லை.
The Omante-Kilinochchi-Palle railway line, stretching 95 kilometers, was also opened to the public in 2014. showcasing advanced rail transport experience. In the same year, the extension of the railway line up to Kankasanture marked a historic event in Sri Lanka's railway history, with the Yal Devi train reaching its exact destination, Jaffna, after 24 years. The project extended railway connectivity with the inauguration of the 66-kilometer railway line from Madu to Talaimannar in 2015. Officiated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi.
මම ඇඟලුම් ශේත්‍රයේ වෙළඳ ව්‍යාපාරිකයෙක් නිමය ඇඳුම සම්බන්ධව මම ලංකාව පුරාම අවුරුදු ගාණක් තිස්සේ නිමය ඇඳුම් බෙදා හැරීම සඳහා ගමන් කරනවා රථ වාහන බස් කෝච්චි ඒ දෙකෙන්ම මට මේ අවස්ථාවේ මේ අනුරාධපුරයේ සිට කංකසන්තුරේ දක්වා මේ තනන ලද දුම්රිය මාර්ගය තුලින් ඇත්තට මේ ව්‍යාපෘතිය හරි වටිනවා මට වගේ මනිත් හැමෝටම මට ඒ තුලින් මගේ වැඩ කටයුතු සාර්ථක කර ගැනීමට ගලිතු කර ගැනීමට මගේ කාලය අවම කර ගැනීමට මේ ව්‍යාපෘතිය මහත්ඵල ප්‍රයෝජනයක් වෙනවා කියලා තමයි කියන්න තියෙන්නේ.
Upgradation of railway from Maho to Omante is going on with the financial assistance of India amounting to 91.27 million US dollars. The section between Anuradhapura to Omante has been completed by ERCON and commissioned in July 2023. The work on Maho to Anuradhapura section is in progress and likely to be completed by August 2024. Another aspect where the Government of India has assisted Sri Lankan Railways is in the supply of train sets, locomotives, DMUs, mainline coaches and spares for the rolling stocks. The Rail India Technical and Economic Service have a 4-decade-long association with Sri Lanka Railways. Till date, Sri Lankan Railways has received 20 locomotives, 28 rakes of diesel multiple units and 160 mainline coaches from India. These monumental projects brought numerous benefits to Sri Lanka, including connecting the northern and southern parts of the country, enhancing railway speed to 100 kilometers per hour, providing improved riding comfort with long welded rails, modernizing tracks with low maintenance costs, ensuring safety through advanced signaling and communication systems, imparting crucial construction experience and generating technical manpower, facilitating employment for Sri Lankans, boosting tourism, enabling cheaper goods transportation and strengthening the Indo-Sri Lankan relationship. The Indian government's investment in revolutionizing transportation transcends mere development. It embodies a leap forward, heralding unity and progress. Together, India and Sri Lanka are poised to embark on a journey of shared prosperity, building upon a foundation of trust and cooperation.